When competing and when cooking, you spend a lot of time reducing out or evaporating water from recipes, from sauces, from purees to concentrate flavor. If you start with a flavorful liquid in place of water, you spend a lot less time working out that water. For example, maybe a vegetable stock. If you need a vegetable stock for something that's going into a vegetable puree, perhaps enhance that stock with the juice of the vegetable in the puree that you're trying to enhance, that you're trying to deepen. If you're making a carrot puree, consider making it with carrot juice. If you're making an apple puree, make it with apple juice. Or consider making a cauliflower puree, but using a heavily infused cauliflower stock, using the leaves, the stem, the trim, and packing in more flavor into that liquid that you're using to hydrate your cauliflower to turn into a puree. Of course, you can use chicken stock, and that creates nice body. But if you're trying to make that taste absolutely cauliflower, use a stock or a juice that enhances that flavor. Something that allows you to